Manipur, especially the Meitei community, celebrates Nongma Panba Sajibu Chairauba or the Meitei New Year today. Chairauba festival is celebrated to mark the beginning of a new year. The festival is marked by offering prayers to the deities, cooking sumptuous food. During this festival, people wear their traditional costumes and the local deity is worshipped. People after the lunch climb the nearest hills as part of the festival. People across the state paid rich floral tributes at Chairauching Memorial Site in commemoration of Athobasingi Numit or Matas Day at Chairauching today. The day commemorates the date of 9 PLA cadres who were killed by Indian Army on this very day of 1982 at Kodompokpi. Manipur's COVID-19 total infection tally now has increased to 29,514 with 18 new cases registered in the past 24 hours. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal West, Imphal East and Churachandpur, Kongpokpi and Jiribam districts. The new infections were confirmed at Jenims, Reams, Babina Diagnostics, Raj Medicity, RD Wing, SN Diagnostics, Kongpokpi, R80 and Jiribam R80. With no fatality reported in the same hours, the state's death toll remains at 376, said the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. The state's COVID-19 active cases are 103, while 29,035 persons have been recuperated so far. The recovery rate stands at 98.37%. The coronavirus situation in India continues to remain grim as the country continues to see an upsurge in its virus cases. India today registered 1.61 lakh COVID-19 cases, surpassing Brazil to become the second worst hit country from COVID-19. In some good news for the center's vaccination strategy to combat the COVID-19 disease, India's approved Russian jab Sputnik 5 as the third COVID-19 vaccine for restricted use in the country. The approval to Russia's Sputnik 5 was given based on a very strong immunogenicity data shown by the vaccine. The approval to Russia's Sputnik 5 vaccine is India also assumed significance as several states have flagged the depleting stock of the vaccine doses. None Battalion under the aegis of Headquarters 21 Sector Assam Rifles and Inspector General Assam Rifle East distributed essential commodities to the needy people of Khongsang village under None district yesterday. The essential commodities were distributed to the people living below poverty line to meet their daily needs. Assam Rifles personnel also educated the villagers on the importance of maintaining COVID-19 protocols and getting the vaccine to keep the COVID-19 at bay.